Page 457, number 55. Perform the operation. And we're multiplying two complex numbers in trigonometric form. 3 times the cosine of pi over 3 plus I sine pi over 3 times 4 times the cosine of pi over 6 plus I times the sine of pi over 6. Now when our complex numbers are written in trigonometric form, to multiply them is actually relatively easy. What we can do is multiply the r values. So 3 times 4 is going to give us 12 times the cosine of. Now our new angle, our new theta, we can find by adding the two original theta values. So we've got pi over 3 plus pi over 6. Well, just on a note over here, I'm just going to write 1/3 plus 1/6. I know to add these I need a common denominator, so this will be 2/6 plus 1/6, which is equal to 3/6, which is equal to 1/2. So pi over 3 times pi over 6 is pi over 3 plus pi over 6 is equal to pi over 2 plus I times sine, and this next angle will be the same, of pi over 2. So right there is the answer I get when I multiply these two complex numbers. Now we can go one step further and find what this is in standard form. So I'm going to use my distributive property to do that and let my calculator do some of the work for me. So I'm going to say 12 times the cosine of, before I do that, let's just make sure my mode, since my angle's in radians, I'm going to just put it in radian mode first, and then I'll do 12 times the cosine of pi over 2. Now cosine of pi over 2 we should know is equal to 0, so 12 times that is 0, that makes sense. So I have 0 plus, now I'll take 12 times the sine of pi over 2. The sine of pi over 2 we should know is equal to 1. So 12 times 1, so we're going to have 12i. So we don't need the 0 plus, so the whole answer is equal to 12 times I.